Welcome to my crib.
Something about you supernatural. I get goosebumps.
So we are currently in Tuscany, Italy, and this is the Airbnb that we're staying in. Hello, just popping in here for a second as editing Lena. I just wanted to say that I did not actually buy this house, but it was for sale, so I will include the listing for it as well as the Airbnb listing if you happen to be in the area and you want to stay there. I just thought it was fun because this house is probably within my financial means as a software engineer. If I did want to purchase a home and invest in real estate within New York City, that's not an option for me really, but I thought this would be a fun feature on my channel as an example of what I could purchase if I were to potentially purchase a home in Italy. So I hope you enjoyed this video and let's get back to the tour. So this is the main entrance. And if you come here, we have this nice little corridor that leads into the kitchen. Pretty standard kitchen, but it does have some nice views outside. And we also have fireplace and a pizza oven for true Italian usage. Okay, so if we come over here, this is the dining room type area, also known as everybody's office. It also has a pretty nice view, and we'll go outside and see that view as well. And then here we have a living room, which could also be converted to a bedroom if you get old and you decide you can't go up and down stairs. There's also a bathroom here as well, which we don't need to go into, but it's a pretty normal bathroom. Okay, shall we go upstairs? And so this is the main stairway that goes through the house. On this floor we have 3 bedrooms. This one here, which is probably the nicest. You don't need to go in because my mom is staying here, but it's a pretty normal bedroom. And then we have 2 other bedrooms on this floor, just down this hallway. One small bedroom here, and then another one here, which also has a balcony attached. If we go up the stairs one more time, we have a bathroom here in the middle of the stairway. I've never seen something like that. And then finally, we have the room that I'm staying in, also known as the attic.
It's a typical Tuscan beams. This house dates from the 1800s, and a lot of what's here is its original wood.
And what's really nice about this house is there are 3 bathrooms, which is pretty uncommon. Only con with this room is there's a little leak in here, so I have to put this pot here. Okay, now we're gonna go all the way downstairs. Yes, it's nice and cool down here. This is kind of the second living room area down here as well. It is much cooler down here, so great for the summer. And there's also a separate, I would say, office space down here too.
The current owner is an artist, and I think this is his library / workspace.
Yeah.
And it has another antique, nice fireplace, something they don't make anymore. And again, beautiful view.
But let's go see the view. Let's go outside. And ta-da! We have our gorgeous scenic views. This house is actually really nice because there's so many places to sit outside. So we have this area here.
The weather is not the best right now.
And then if we go over here, we have the entrance, which goes to the street over there. The nice eating area over here, the first eating area. And then if we come down here, we have another eating area and the outdoor pizza oven, because you need 2.
Pizza oven in the back. The garden with olive trees. And a fig tree in the back. The neighbors are mowing the lawn.
We don't need to walk down, but it's just all down here. Okay, that is the end of this tour. Sorry it ended kind of abruptly. I hope you enjoyed this random video. Let me know what you thought of the house, and again, I will include links to both the Airbnb and the house listing in my description, so feel free to check it out if you're more curious, and I will see you in my next video.
Got me running through my fantasies. 40 West, I'm doing 93. Tell me where the sparks come from.